JK Rowling, today you tweeted asking someone to help explain Bitcoin. So I present to you the Muggle's Guide to Bitcoin. The Fed, which we will affectionately refer to in this video as Voldemort, is out of control with printing money and putting us deeper and deeper in debt, which causes inflation, economic downturn, and ultimately is devaluing the price of our currency. A good way to think about it is think about when you were a kid and how much a butterbeer or your wand from Ollivanders cost, and then now think of how much more that costs. But what can us mere muggles do about it? We don't have any control over the Fed, or he who shall not be named. Well, what if that wasn't the only type of money? What if there were currencies that were deflationary, that actually were the opposite of what we currently have and got more valuable over time instead of less? So where did these deflationary currencies or stores of value come from? Well, even in the world of Harry Potter, there are gold coins or galleons, and they inherently will become more valuable over time because there's only a limited supply. And similar to gold, Bitcoin will only have 21 million ever created. So in a similar sense to the galleons, it should increase in value over time based on a limited fixed supply. But carrying around gold isn't exactly convenient in the modern age. It's not only heavy, but what if you're out shopping in Diagon Alley and you take a wrong turn down Nocturne Alley and you run into some shady figures that like to help that gold come right out of your pocket? Having a digital option, aka Bitcoin, just makes sense. But how do you know that it's really secure? Well, it's based on math and code and is built on a little thing we call blockchain technology. Now you can think of blockchain almost like Gringotts, where you've got your piles of gold coins, aka your store of value, hidden in vaults protected by a dragon. Except blockchain is even more secure because instead of being guarded by a dragon, it's guarded by math and code. And Voldemort can never touch it.